Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the difference and the improvement, hopefully, at least cosmetically, on changing the bulbs around the license plate area on a 3rd gen Ram, or it could be pretty much any Ram. So these are the stock ones here. You're gonna see they're very yellowy and orange looking. And we've been upgrading all the bulbs on this truck. So we're gonna go, of course, upgrade the LEDs, the 194s. I'll link these in the description below so you guys can check these out. These ones are actually CAN bus compatible, meaning that they won't throw one of those lights on your dash that says you don't have a bulb or a bulb is burnt out. So I've used these before on a previous truck. I kept them and I'm gonna go ahead and put them on this truck. Should be fairly easy. You'll reach in, turn them and remove them. And you pretty much just turn them 90 degrees and they pop out. So I'm gonna show you guys that. We'll show you guys obviously the difference. Here's the before video. So it is nighttime out and here is what the license plate lights look like. So these are just the standard halogen bulbs. This is what they look like at nighttime before we change one of them and do the comparison. So I know we can definitely clean up the look by putting these to LED. So let's go ahead and swap one out and I'll show you the difference and then we'll change both of them. And here's what they look like in the light. Let's go ahead and swap them and I'll show you the difference both with ambient light and out in the dark. So you're gonna reach your hand in here, you're gonna turn about 90 degrees and it's gonna fall at the bottom like that. And then we'll pull these out. They're probably gonna be a little hot, so I want to turn the light off so it's not so hot, or grab a rag to pull them. Okay, so we pulled out our halogen bulb and we're gonna put these in. These usually aren't directional, but just double check. So as you can see, it illuminates. So we're gonna put it up and same thing, we're gonna turn it 90 degrees clockwise and it should be in. Okay guys, I think this is self-explanatory. That's the new LED in there. That's the halogen. Look at the difference. Huge difference, you guys. So let's go ahead and pop the other one. I don't even know if I need to show you in the dark. Actually, I'll show you quickly, just right here, the comparison, and then I'll put them both in. Here's with the light off. Look at the color difference. Obviously the LED, that is the halogen. I much prefer the crisper light on the left compared to the right. Okay, so same deal for this side. I'll go ahead and turn this counterclockwise. Pull it down. Use a towel of some sort to wiggle your halogen out. That's probably gonna be pretty hot. Go ahead and insert our LED. Turn it clockwise, and that's it. So that's the end result, you guys. I'll go ahead and show you guys in the dark. All right, so here's in the light, and we'll kill the lights. Look at that, you guys. So much better looking. And if you guys haven't seen my other videos, I'll link them down in the description below. We have been doing all LED upgrades on this entire truck, including the black housing headlights. So we have a ton of light. These are only the fogs. I also have LED upgrades on the headlights, fog lights, LED. Pretty much the whole truck is getting converted to LED, so make sure you check out the other videos. We also lowered this thing. It's a little bit hard to see, but it's got 24-inch Hellcat replica wheels on it, bronze. Lots of upgrades to this truck. All right, thanks for watching, guys. So I hope you liked this video. I hope you found it informative. I will link those bulbs down in the description below, so make sure to check those out. They are one of the most cost-effective bulbs that I've found for this that works, and trust me, I've tried a lot of them with these trucks, and you can use these. They're the 194 bulbs. You can use them all the way up to pretty much current day and model trucks. So I used these on my 2014 Ram before this, and they also work for this 2005. So give them a try. They've worked for all those trucks as well, so I found them to be very good. It's a good upgrade, it's cheap, and it looks good. But let me know your comments in the comment section down below. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, see you on the next video.